This is why I sneak over here in the evenings. It's so neat. Of course, we're not finished. Still have some work to do. But I just, sometimes I need an escape and I'll come over here and sneak in here in the evenings. Get away from the RV park, people. Nice little reprieve. Check out these lights. Of course, this isn't new to... There we go. Look at that. There we go. There we go. Red light district. Let's change colors. Green. I like the green. Blue. Once I didn't get. Okay, let's come on. There we go. Oh, that is so cool against this corrugated metal. I like it. That is cool. It's actually making the metal look like it's changing color. Isn't that awesome? I'm really happy that I did these walls. So yeah, I really like the way that looks. And these chairs are not the most comfortable to sit in if you want to sit for a while and watch a movie. No, not very comfortable. I am really tempted to bring in some furniture, but I really shouldn't because I gotta get finished with this project first before I get too comfy with it. Oh, okay, we flash. Oh, that's a little annoying. Disco! Then it does the fade. The fade's less annoying. Wow, that looks really awesome against this metal. Probably why bars use this metal, right? Huh. What's the next one? That's different. I don't have any curtains up yet. People outside are probably going, what is she doing? Oh my gosh. I also put my shears up. That's not how I plan on actually using them for long term. I just clipped them on the rods because I need some privacy. I don't want anybody bothering me today. And people come by and actually peek in the windows to look at the Twinkie or see where I am. No, no. I need privacy, folks. I went ahead and brought a few more things in. This is not how the living room will be set up, but for now, I just brought this stuff in. So cute. Man, it's cozy in here. Just finished watching a movie. But I've had this cabinet in the office for a while. So I bought it for the Twinkie. Assembled it and left it in the office to keep it safe, and it will be going against this counter right here, and then my larger TV will go on top of it. But I just kind of wanted to get it comfortable since it's been raining. It kind of looks like one of those shops where you sell things, doesn't it? But I like it. It's comfortable. It's very comfortable. Okay, so I guess this is kind of an update. I just brought a few things in, like I said. Watched a movie, just took the afternoon off. Like I said, it was rainy, and just needed a break and a nice place to go to. So, thank you for watching, and live the life you love. Y'all have been great. Y'all have been with me on this adventure. And we're not done yet. We're definitely not done yet. If I turn around, you will know I'm not done yet. So there you go. We'll get there. We will get there. I'm just waiting to get paid so I can get a few more supplies and wind this project down. So catch y'all later. And live the life you love.